Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Paul, and this is Fish Crazy 419. I had a couple people ask me, what's your kayak? What do you use when you're out there? Well, today I'm going to show you. So let's get into it. Okay, this is my 2019 Jackson Big Rig. This is what I fish out of. A couple of people asked me to do a rig rundown, and I figured why not? It's a hot day, I'm not fishing. Might as well give you a look at what I'm floating in. Start the bow and move our way back. I have to excuse the car noise. I'm right next to a road here. Inside the hatch, that's where I keep my batteries for the fish finder and whatever else I might need for a day's worth of fish. I can throw a dry bag or something in there, extra tackle, what have you. Cooler with drinks, you know, whatever. And it has stand-up assist bar, which is pretty handy when it's windy out or there's boat wake or something. Gives you a little something extra to lean onto, and let's face it, for us older guys, helps you get up and down a little bit easier too. I have rod tip protectors and rod holders running the length of the boat. GoPro mount. Got track systems on both sides. And I'm running a Lowrance hook to reveal 7-inch with Yak Attack mounts. Got my catch board there for measuring my giants. That just comes out and I can sit that on my lap and get a fish measurement. And next to that is my net. Just a handy dandy little fold out deal. Folds back up nice and neat. Go back underneath the seat. And you got the seat itself. It's adjustable high and low setting. High setting is what I'm in most of the time because I'm fishing, I'm looking for fish, and it's just more comfortable to be sitting up higher. The low setting is for when it's water's a little choppy, you got some boat wake, and you just want to be closer to the water. It's easier to paddle. So yeah, I got two settings for that. Under there, I got my scale. Hardly ever use for that thing though. I catch, you know, small fish. And from there I got my Yak Attack black box. 3 rod holders. One of them I use for my flag and light. I plan on adding more, but for now that does just fine. I only take 3 rods with me at a time, so that's all I need. And inside that I've got, let me go to the other side, make this easier. There's my cart. You need a cart, especially if you're taking it over rough boat ramps and stuff. You don't want to drag this thing on the concrete. Get this out the way. And inside of here, I've got 5 boxes. I've got regular plastics, some cranks, jigs, things like that. And then I've got swim baits, small swim baits, 2 3/4 inch. Use them for smallmouth walleye, largemouth crappie, whatever. And after that, we got Ned's. Box of cranks and some rattle traps, things like that in there. I think there's some in there. Actually, that's my other box, but yeah, whatever. And then we got jerk baits for bass and walleye. And under the seat, I keep a container of spinner baits, buzz baits, and chatter baits. Got some fish grips and my paddle. It's a Field and Stream Angler CF, carbon fiber, and my life jacket. That's pretty much it. The rods I normally carry a 7'3" ducket. Then I carry a 7'3" 13 fishing Fate Black lose reel. Use that for jerk baits, small cranks, jigs, things of that nature. And the last one is a 7-foot St. Croix Mojo bass, medium light action. I use that for grubs, drop shots, things like that nature. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my kayak. Well, that was my rig rundown. Hope you like what you've seen. That's what I'm fishing out of, and that's it. Hobie, Hobie. I will hope he doesn't run off. I was gonna see if he wanted to be a star today. Hobie, what do you think? Hi, Hobie. Where are you going? Hi, Hobie. Come here, buddy. Come here.